Well, this is new at 10. If you drove by the State House today, you might have seen a display of bags on the steps of the Capitol. It was all part of a tribute to honor and remember those who have been lost to cancer. News Channel 7's Jude Binkley joins us now with a look at today's event. Jude.
Well, sure, the American Cancer Society's Cancer Action Network hosted the Lights of Hope event in Boise and Meridian today. More than 3,000 Idahoans will lose their lives to cancer this year, and the tribute was to remember all those who are impacted by cancer and push for legislation to fight the disease.
It affects anyone regardless of your political belief or affiliation or gender, race, ethnicity. Cancer attacks everyone, and so that's kind of why we're here today.
Bags were lit on the steps of the state capitol as part of the Lights of Hope tribute to honor and remember loved ones with cancer and remind lawmakers the importance of the fight against cancer. The American Cancer Society's Cancer Action Network is an advocacy group that pushes for legislation to fight cancer.
So we're what we call the legislative arm of the American Cancer Society. So ACS CAN is specifically pushing legislative asks that include increasing cancer research funding, access to clinical trials, and early detection screening methods for cancer patients. And so as an ACS CAN group, we're specifically pushing on both the state federal offices and the federal legislative offices cancer bills that will support cancer funding for research as well as fight cancer. So we're here to send an important message to Congressman Russ Fulcher that cancer is a priority in Idaho. We have over 10,000 Idahoans that are going to be diagnosed with cancer in 2022 alone, and over 3,000 patients are going to die from cancer, unfortunately. And so we're urging for him to co-sponsor the Medicare Multi-Cancer Early Detection Screening Act. And we all know that early detection is the best method to cure cancer at this stage, and so we're really hoping that he'll co-sponsor this legislation for us this year.
Each bag in the tribute was a donation.
So we have bags that are honoring specific loved one members. We also have bags that have messages. We have a lot of Idaho-specific statistics.
Annual tributes were hosted in Boise and Meridian on Saturday, two of many that are held across the country. This year, ACS CAN is lighting up 60,000 bags to honor cancer patients.
So we were just in Washington, D.C. a few weeks ago, and we had a Lights of Hope ceremony at the Gardens, and we wanted to bring it back here and create some awareness and recognition to the cancer is here to stay until we make a difference.
And there was also a display at Meridian City Hall with 500 bags. If you'd like to get involved with the American Cancer Society's Cancer Action Network, we'll have that information in our story at ktvb.com. Shira?
All right. Thanks, Jude, for sharing that with us.